Warm up. Preparing the body for exercise. It is important to do warm-up before starting workout. Cardio. Exercises that raise heart rate. I start my workout with 20 minutes of cardio. Dumbbell. Handheld weights used in exercises. Use dumbbells to add resistance to your workout. Treadmill. Machine for walking. Running on the treadmill is part of my cardio routine. Stationary bike. Exercise bike that stays in place. I like to use the stationary bike for my cardio workouts. Rowing machine. Cardio machine stimulating rowing a boat. The rowing machine provides a full body workout. Resistance bands. Elastic bands used for strength training. Resistance bands are greater for adding intensity to exercises. Squats. Exercise strengthen legs and glutes. Squats are effective for strengthening the legs and glutes. Push-ups. Exercise for upper body strength. Push-ups are great exercise for building upper body strength.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.